So what I've been doing is pushing that clay that was on the road that I made. Been reclaiming it, so to speak, and pushing it on top of the dam, and it's kind of slot dozing, people call it. Had a wall on each side of dirt and pushing between it, and I'm trying to keep the water out of my lane there. And water steadily coming in here. So I gotta get through with it before it rains again. But I'm getting close up there. Old dozers, look at it. I mean, it just sticks to it. Ah, it's good pond clay, but boy, it's a job. Man. Alright, I'm gonna go get one more load and spread it. I'm gonna set up the laser and shoot it and see what the verdict is, see how close we are. I think these are going to be the last 3 loads I brought in here. They're about 3/4 of the load, 2/3. And I've got the height good coming through here. I've been widening it. I'm taking this and pushing it on the side and widen it up there around them pines. Widen it a little bit up here on the right. And I think I'll be done. Now I will say I am proud of my dump truck. They call it row binder too. My uncle had a dump truck, or had a truck named row binder, so that may be row binder too. And what row binder means, I have no idea. But it's come in and out of here without giving 1 ounce of rejection. No little bit of spinning going up through there, but it come in and out great. I was proud. So here's the finished dam. I didn't smooth this perfectly. One reason is because there's so much clay up here. If it gets wet, it's going to be slick until they get a little pine straw and stuff on it. Really didn't want it slick. Anyway, turned out good. Took a lot of dirt. I don't know how tall. That's probably from that water up here's 15 feet. Anyway, got a mound for some fish. Fish can get out there in that little channel. Got the trees. He's gonna burn the pile. I got to get down there and get that pipe out and get my other junk picked up here, my siphon. And over there where we dug the clay out, that'll be a good fish spot. So yeah, turned out good. Many trips with the dump truck around on top of the dam and back through the road and around initially. Alrighty, Thank y'all for watching. See you later.